write a check to help.
And happening right now in the WRAL Live Center, sports betting in North Carolina will not launch on January 8th as expected. That was the first date that the new law would have allowed for mobile sports betting in our state. The North Carolina Lottery Commission said there's just too much work to do to have it start on that date. They are hashing out rules and also licensing issues as well. The commission has until June 15th to launch sports betting in our state.
Kids need their sleep, but what if they have trouble sleeping? The pros and cons of giving them melatonin.
Well, now that it gets dark so early, depression can set in. Ways to cope when you're feeling sad from the seasonal change. If you see news happening or you'd like to share a story idea with us, click Report It in the WRL News app.